Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Just want to let you guys know this is the second video of we're giving away a griddle. The other one, I'll post a link to that below. But you just have to like this video, be a subscriber, put a comment below, and include some way for me to get a hold of you, whether that be social media or an email, or I'm going to put my email in the description. You can send me an email if you don't want to put your stuff out there. Totally understand. Yeah, so good luck to everybody on that. And tonight we're going to be doing some reverse seared fillets and asparagus. Real simple. Well, I mean, it kind of takes a little while, but it's an easy meal to do. So, I mean, we only got 2 ingredients, so I'm not going to bring you in or nothing. It's just 2 fillets. Yeah, I mean, nothing too special about them. Just I dried them up. I salted them really good. So, yeah, they're ready to go on and show you how I'm going to do that. And then we just got some asparagus, just nice and fresh. Just bought them today. Ooh, look good. So yeah, that's all we got, and let's get this cook going. So I got the griddle warming up. I don't really need oil yet. I'm just putting it down there because I'm basically gonna be seasoning while I'm cooking this, because just gonna be heating it up on the rack. I'm putting these steaks on a rack, and this way it'll protect the griddle from peeling and that kind of stuff. So let's just put that on here. Here's the rack. Just a simple little thing is just gonna keep it off the griddle top. Actually, I'm gonna put it right over here. My second burner from the left is my hottest burner by far. So I'm gonna put it directly over that one. And just gonna plop these steaks right on down. Just salt, that's all we got on there. That's all you need. And then, ooh, sorry about that. Then just cover them up, just directly over that thing. Just let it go. Just let it get nice and hot. I'm gonna leave it, you know what? Let's start a timer. Boom, 10 minutes. I'm gonna check it in 10 minutes, see where it's at. These are kind of small, they're not real big, so I don't think it's gonna take too long to do. So yeah, let's see how it goes. All right, so we just flipped them. Ooh, a little loud. Let's get a little reading. Now, you know what? I'm not even gonna waste my time with a reading right now. These things are definitely not ready. So I'm gonna throw them on for another 10 minutes, and we'll see what happens with that. Let's see how we're looking on these bad boys. All right. In here. All right, 115, 120, 130. All right, this one's definitely done. Yeah, we're good. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna move this over here. I got these 2 burners off, and this one's on like a medium high, and this one's off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna need to get this out of my way so I can get going on these asparagus. Put you right here. I'm gonna do a little housekeeping and come right back. Let's get going on this asparagus over here. Put a little bit more oil down. Get out there. All right, put that down. I'm gonna put some butter down. There we go. A little butter. All right. Boom. Now I got both of these are on low. I'm gonna need to turn them up a little bit. Let's get this butter all melted up. Boom. All right, let's get this asparagus on here. lost one. Boom. Ooh. All right. I'm just gonna try and flip them around, get a little bit of this, the oil and butter all over them. Just kind of move them around a little bit. All right. All right, let's get them back in a line here. Move them up. All right, that should be good. Now I'm gonna throw the dome back over it and let them things cook up and get nice and good. Now these are still good. You know what, let's flip these over, see how the bottom looks. Yeah, they just look really plain. No big deal. That sear is gonna get them looking real pretty though, I'll tell you what. I'm gonna put a little bit more salt on them when I put them down too. Oh, it's gonna be good. Now the giveaway, I'm gonna be, next Saturday is when I'm picking the winners. So the video that this video and the video I posted on Thursday, that was the taco skillet. That one and this video, you can like and subscribe to both of those videos, and yeah, just let me know how to contact you. I'm gonna be doing a drawing. I'll do it live, so, well, not live, but I'll record me doing the drawing so you see that I'm, you know, actually picking somebody. And yeah, good luck everybody, I appreciate it. So let's just let these things cook for a few minutes and then bring it right back. Let's see how this asparagus is looking. Ooh, smell that. You know what, I'm gonna put this back down here. Let's throw some salt on it now. Some kosher salt. Man, that looks so good. I'm trying to flip these things. There we go, we'll do that. There we go, we can turn them like that. A little better. That's looking real good. And I'm gonna wait for these to be just about done before I sear these, because I don't want these to overcook and all that good stuff. These are still at like 120 degrees, so we're good on that. So we'll just cover these back up one more time. All right, we're almost there, y'all. The asparagus, I'm pretty sure, is done. It looks and smells amazing. So let's get rid of the cover. All right. Now I'm gonna move all of these over here. Actually, let's get this, my third burner, I'm gonna turn on now. I'm gonna put it all the way low, just so I can, and I'm gonna leave the far right one off. And I'm just gonna push this stuff over here. Just let it chill over here. It's still warm. Let it go. Now over here, we're at 375, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw these steaks on to sear them. Come here. All right, that's looking good. Actually, I put some salt on the top side, so I'm gonna just let them go. I'm gonna do about let's do a minute on each side and see how we look. All right, let's give these things a flip. I did move them over to right over my hottest burner. All right, we're getting a nice little sear on there. There we go. This one looks better. This one's mine. I'm calling it. There we go. All right, I'm gonna throw a little butter right on top. Yeah, buddy. Just gonna let that go. Put a little bit more over here. All right. Now I'm just gonna let these go for just, I don't know, a couple, not like a minute, not even a minute maybe. And then I'm gonna flip them again and then take a temp and make sure we're still good and eat up. Steaks are done. Put you right over here. Get my plate. All right. Let's get this asparagus on here. Ooh, that's gonna be good. Let's get this steak. Ooh, baby. This looks so good. Ooh, man, you see this? I mean, it is slightly overcooked. I would have liked a little bit more pink in there, but I don't know. Let's give this thing a try. A nice little piece of fat there. Only seasoned with salt. Asparagus is perfect, got a little crunch to it. Man, this steak is good. I mean, even if you overcook a filet, it's gonna be tender. I mean, not if you roast the thing, but that is so good. That's all I got, y'all. Sorry. I mean, this was so easy to do. It did take some time to slow cook it on that rack, but I mean, it turned out pretty good. And it's actually really good, like really juicy. I'm gonna go eat my dinner. Appreciate you guys coming along. Remember to smash that thumbs up button. Be subscribed, leave a comment below. Or you can send me an email with your contact info if you want, or you can put it in the comment. It's up to you. No addresses or phone numbers though, none of that. Yeah, we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks.